Well, hello everybody, this is your stay-at-home grandmom, and this is the YFIT Toddler's Underpants. And I got these from my granddaughter. She's 5, and these will fit her really good. These are what I got. Those are so cute, aren't they? And there's 5 of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 of them. And there's little roses on everything. I thought that they would be very, very cute for her. So I got these for her. You know, it's the start of summertime, and then getting stuff ready for the fall because what we do have of summer is here. But it's here and then it's not here. It's called, what is it? Sprinter, actually. But anyway, these are the AY Fit Toddler, and these are really nice. So if you like these, give us a thumbs up, like, share, and subscribe, and leave a comment in the comment section. I love you. Take care. God bless. Bye-bye.